Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Mr. Donald Trump's tariff policies. His word changed. This is very important for crypto price. Let's dive in. Firstly, crypto liquidations surpassed $520 million in past day amid increased market volatility. And most of those liquidations came from long positions, which made the crypto price to dip for a while. Outgoing CFTC chair Bannon pushes for crypto regulation, says it will take some time. And this is what I'm saying. It will take some time for Mr. Trump's administration to come to the White House to implement pro crypto policies to approve altcoins, spot ETFs, big tech companies to join in and so forth. But this will take place all this year. Rising political risks and renewed macro uncertainty soften crypto's post-election surge. Bitcoin slips below 93K in crypto sell-off, and there is some arguments whether it's going to go up or going down. Well, as always. My question here is a recent sell off. Is it because of the fundamental weakness in crypto market? Or is it because of the external factors just such as politics and macro indicators? If the latter is the reason, I think it's time to buy the dip, especially blue chip altcoins. Well, strong US economic data, surging bond yields, concerns about ongoing inflation, and hawkish Federal Reserve. These are the all uncertainty around the market. And Mr. President elect Donald Trump's tariff policies. Well, you must have heard that Trump's tariffs will cause inflation, and this will make hawkish Fed more to be more hawkish rather than dovish, right? Trump is to impose huge taxes on imports from China, Canada, and Mexico, right? And this is not that good for crypto and stock market. That's what we thought before. But just read this article. Wall Street advances on hopes for selective Trump tariffs. What? Selective tariffs? They changed the word. It was universal tariffs. It was 10%, 20% on every single product services from the in China, in 60% in China, 20% from Canada and from Mexico, right? But he changed his word from universal to selective tariffs. Word change. Trump reportedly considering important alteration to tariff plans. President-elect Donald Trump is considering a tariff plan that will narrow the focus to a select set of goods and services, according to Washington Post report. Trump, however, disputed the report in a post on Truth Social, saying, "That is wrong. That is fake news. What is right? What is wrong?" In my personal opinion, Mr. Trump will boost crypto stock market this year, no matter what. Here's why. Firstly, dollar index. I explained this before, but this is, I think, very important. The DXY went up significantly in late 2016 when he was elected as US president for the first time. And in late last year, in late 2024, DXY went up just like before. But in the following year, in 2017, DXY fell down throughout the whole year. And in this year, next year is this year, in 2025, I personally project the DXY to fall throughout the whole year. And this will be good for crypto and stock market. Just think about this. Trump has been re-elected as US president, utilizing anti-China atmosphere, anti-Mexico atmosphere, plus pro-crypto remarks. Did you know that 80% of Americans have anti-China atmosphere? We lost jobs. That was why we just become more and more poorer because we lost jobs and they just replaced our workers and things like that. And 1/3 of all US voters already invest into crypto assets. He got all the votes from those guys. That was why he was elected. But here's the thing. What if 60% tariffs, universal tariffs, if this is imposed on China and 20% to Canada and Mexico, what do you think it will going to take place? Huge inflation, right? The tariffs, if it is imposed on those imports from China and Canada, Mexico, the price will be expensive, and this will cause a huge inflation in the United States. If this happens, Federal Reserve cannot lower rates, cannot print money. If strong dollar continues, it will weaken US manufacturers for sure. Do you think Mr. Donald Trump doesn't know this? He knows everything. And that was why he changed his tariffs policy from universal to selective tariffs policy. And this will make the inflation mediocre. This will make the strong dollar turn into weak dollar, especially this year. No matter what, this will make Fed to lower rates and print more money, and this will the crypto, the stock market to go up. Trump will be regarded as the great U.S. president with strong economy, with strong market, especially crypto and stock markets, and mediocre inflation, and he made America great again, things like that. Don't forget the midterm election in late next year. These all combined, these will make Trump's administration with Scott Bessent, with other general secretaries, whomsoever, they will pump the market. What do you think? Thank you for listening.